Welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about a fun and delicious topic, street food. Many people think street food is only for low-income folks, but the truth is very different. In this video, I'll share why street food has become one of the most popular and beloved types of food worldwide, how it has become a gourmet choice for many, and tips on how to enjoy street food safely and deliciously. Section 1. What does street food mean? Street food refers to meals sold on the streets, usually easy and quick to prepare, made from simple ingredients but packed with flavor and culture. Street food varies from country to country, like tacos in Mexico, falafel in the Middle East, Turkish kebabs, or sushi in Japan. Section 2. Why was street food traditionally seen as only for the poor? Because it was cheap and fast to prepare, many considered it an economical choice. But as cities and travel evolved, people discovered that street food carries cultural heritage and authenticity not always found in fancy restaurants. Section 3. How did street food become a trend and a luxury? 1. Famous chefs started their journey with street food dishes. Second, street food evolved with diversity and innovation, adding unique twists that attract food lovers. 3. Travelers love authentic cultural experiences away from touristy restaurants. Section 4. Famous examples of gourmet street food. In South Korea, BBQ street stalls offer elegant and refined presentations. In Thailand, street stalls serve dishes like pad thai that gained worldwide fame. In the US, many city street vendors offer meals blending tradition and modern creativity. Section 5. Tips for enjoying street food. Safely, look for clean stalls with lots of customers. Avoid food left unrefrigerated for long periods. Enjoy the experience, but be cautious with very spicy food or ingredients you may be allergic to. Conclusion and guide. Download invitation. Street food is more than just simple meals. It's a cultural experience and lifestyle every travel and food lover should try. Ready to travel smarter? I've prepared a free comprehensive guide including smart packing checklists, important new airport rules for 2025, common travel mistakes to avoid, tips for choosing the best seats and booking tools. Download your free guide now from the link in the channel description and start your next trip with the best preparation and confidence. Don't wait. Make your next journey easier and more